fresh. I'm out here with my boy David. Downtown LA, the LA Convention Center. We have the Staples Center, and there is the LA Convention Center right there. They stay doing construction here in downtown. Alright, so me and my boy King kind of late right now, so now we gotta make that big line right now. Yo, look at that. That's for Chris right there. The good thing is it's nice and cold here, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty fresh.
Your nipples are hard?
Huh?
Your nipples are hard?
Yeah, touch.
Is it? Nice. Dude, I'm not gonna pass security. I have a weapon right here.
Oh.
Alright, so we made it, guys. So far, we see some Hondas right now. We got some Nissans. We got some music. Do you feel the music? Show me some skills. Oh. I like this color. What do you think? You're gonna wrap the M3 that color or not? Me either. I'll wrap it that color. Hey, check this car out right here, guys, with the yellow rims. One day, guys, one day. Look at this Subaru right here, guys. All chromed out too. Alright guys, so me and him both own E92 M3s and we had to see this car. As soon as we walked in, we saw it. Guys, look at this rims. You could legit have a full course meal right here. Wait. The lighting is perfect right here. I like it. Makes my beard glow. We're in car heaven right now, guys. As you can see, multiple cars. It's just beautiful right here. VTEC times turbo. How do you think this car sounds, dude? How do you think it sounds? Even with the turbo?
Yeah.
I think it sounds more like this. Look at this beautiful STI, guys. All carbon. I'm pretty sure the owner of this car has carbon fiber underwear, carbon fiber house, carbon fiber pets. I'm pretty sure his parents are made out of carbon fiber, right?
His tires, his shoes.
This car is beautiful, but me and my friends, since we're foreign, we gotta go with the BMWs right now, right here, real quick. Got a beautiful M5 right here. What do you think about the wrap?
It's fucking perfect. That one's perfect.
Yeah? It tickles your...
Nice.
I think it's nice. What about the I? Nah. Same rims I have on my E92 M3, but actually these are newer because mine are like curb crash. I think we found our first car that we could actually fit. And probably even put my foot in it. Right, here it goes. Oh yeah, we cleared it like this, dude. The foot as well. Señoras right here that'll sit on your face for free. Who's this?
Hey!
Oh, she's a model here today. Look, she's posing. We got a subscriber right here. What's up? Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? Thank you. Supporters.
Now it's different because now you got me doing it too. You and Supercar.
Yeah, this one is actually gonna be an honor for me to actually fist. Hopefully I don't get caught. I think with this one I could do a double one. Really quick, we gotta do it quick. Nah. Just imagine you're running, and for some reason you end up tripping, but instead of falling, you fall this way in your angle. Let's touch it. Oh, sit on this. So we thought that car was vicious and a killer, but this one actually has a machete. But it's the whole Jason thing.
Little chain right here too. So.
Wow. Take this car to Mexico, bro. You could get some dirty work with this car. Oh, look at this, huh? It's all about the details. We got a little Jason right there. Dude, look at the steering wheel. A little Jason in there. How many more Jasons can we find? Oh, dude, there's another Jason over there.
What?
There's another Jason right there.
It does?
I wouldn't be surprised if there's a Jason on the emblem. Oh my God. You know what would make this even better? A small little statue of a Jason. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, don't even get close to it. Imagine it just goes like, wah. Damn, swaggy. Look at this sexy Corvette right here. I love a car in red. And just as I said that, we have a nice, beautiful Ferrari right here. In red as well, guys. Man, look at this. We got the copper Maserati. We got the Liberty Walk Ferrari right here. I actually seen it on Daily Driven Exotics YouTube channel right here. Oh my god. We got another white body Ferrari right here. Alright guys, check this out. This one actually has 2 holes that I could penetrate, and I bet you $100 that this one I'm been searching for the exhaust that I could do it with 2. I think this is the one. This one's gonna be very tight, but I know I'm gonna enjoy it. Let me lubricate it first. Oh. My gum gave a oh yeah. We don't want to dirty the gun. Put that for later. Put that for later.
What?
Alright. Oh, for sure. Oh no, the pinky didn't go in, guys. Pinky didn't go in. Oh, he a dirty hoe. He a dirty hoe. Sexy McClare all the way to the floor. White body. We got the Rolls Royce looking at me, very seductive. He's seducing me and making me pretty wet. Oh, Ferrari in red. Always gotta get a Ferrari in red. If you don't buy it in red, you gotta take it back. When I see this car, I picture this. Can you see me in it? This looks like some Tron shit right here, huh?
Yeah, some Tron Legacy.
Yeah. I like it though. Okay, this Lexus is beautiful dude. The setup is clean. I love how the base has like a little ring around it. Those lights on the top are beautiful. I'm pretty sure they invested a lot of money in this car, dude. They got the roll cage. Look at the carbon fiber seats, dude. Damn, cuz race car.
He must hurt his ass though.
Oh yeah. The guy that drives this probably has no ass. Because those things are hard, dude. Hey, but who needs a car like this? Look at the car. Look at the detail in this, guys. Carbon fiber everywhere. Damn, this one's gutted out, dude. I thought when I saw it from the back that it wasn't even gonna have the engine either. That's how gutted out this shit was, huh? Pretty clean. Now this is what I call a race car, guys. Look, 1 seat only. Chris got competition with this one. For sure, hands down, buddy. Can't have this show without the ladies, guys. The ladies have to be here for the show. We got the models right here for days, guys. Me personally, though, this is too much. Like, I usually use the back seat, you know, for a little calientito action with the ladies, dude. But like, we're gonna come out with back problems with this too. Yeah, we're gonna go straight to the hospital after the sex session. This right here is love at first sight for me, guys. We got wide body and everything, guys. I wouldn't change nothing in this car. Okay, maybe the rims, but other than that, everything is perfect. This has to be one of my factory favorite BMW colors. I'm feeling like a baby around this car here. I'm loving that baby blue. I spotted something that I know you guys are gonna like, so I'm gonna give you a little eye candy. Taco de ojo, you know what I mean? Zoom into that, baby. Just for you guys subscribers, I know you're gonna enjoy some. So there you go, some ass shots for you guys. And we got some janitors for you guys. Come into the janitor. This right here looks like a spaceship, dude. Check out the knob on this car, guys. I don't know if I like the rims or if I like the ladies. I'm thinking the ladies over the rims. It's a hard one. I'll hit that 40 times, 60 times. This one 1,000 times. This car, another all carbon fiber car. I like this one because it has that lady right here. Hey, promotion, baby. Promotion. Oh, promotion again. This has to be the biggest wing that I have seen at this show. The biggest one. He takes #1 place. My homie knows the technique. Spread them up and eat it. Oh. We got the flexers in the house. What's up?
It's all about the personality, honestly. Like, that's all like
Personality.
So if she's a stick, you'll still take her? That's what I thought, dude.
Gotta get lit up like a big number.
A little thick, huh?
Thick.
What's up, buddy? What's up?
What's up?
Chris, this guy killed you with the wing. Your thing looked like a baby one.
No, I think I had the same wing, okay.
Oh, sorry, Chris, we got the señoritas over here. Wow. You like the señoritas, huh? Woo! Okay, so we came across the E92 M3. We're out here with my boy. We love the M3s. All three of us own one. Oh, wait, all two of us almost, buddy, almost. The wrap is beautiful too. Competition package that you can see already, and he's a biker. They kind of look like the handcuffs when I got arrested.
Yeah, but like,
yeah.
when you got
Like right here. Oh man, I'm getting kind of hungry. TFTI. We got the whole squad right here, guys. Look at this. Hella zoomed into that for you guys. Loving the tattoo. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh. Footwork, footwork. Beautiful ladies here at the event, guys. Yeah, follow her on Instagram. What's yours?
It's Tiffany Double Y.
There you go. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the cave gang. Let's go. We got another subscriber out here. What's your Instagram?
Alex Flores.
There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah, bro. There you go.
Got it? Make sure it's good. Make sure it's a good one.
I did that.
And I did. Ooh, 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 ooh. I was trying to figure out what she looked like because she looks really good. Like, look, watch. Big booty. She reminds me of what I had for breakfast today.
Muy excelente.
Muy excelente. I put some hot sauce, some ketchup on it, and then I'll just eat it. Wow, you spelled your name wrong. You got a suspect right there? So we've been out here for 3 hours already. We're closing out the vlog here. Thank you for the support, guys, and stay tuned for some more videos. Gotta love LA, guys. Look, there's people everywhere at all times. And of course, we can't end the vlog without some cops.
Oh my god.